In this video, we're going to break down our all-new R2 amplifiers that are primed for performance. It doesn't matter if you're new to mobile audio or a longtime Rockford Fosgate fanatic. You won't be disappointed in this new lineup. These R2 models are the building blocks for great audio systems, powerful enough to even drive our punch speakers and subwoofers. The new Prime R2 amplifiers have undergone an amazing upgrade by packing them with the latest features at an incredible value. Best of all, they're designed and engineered right here in Tempe, Arizona. What we've accomplished by fine-tuning the R2 amplifiers is offering some key features in an efficient and affordable way that were previously only available in our Punch series lineup. Now, before we get into some of these key features, let's start off by talking about the lineup. Our 4 new mono amps range from the R2 250X1 up to the 1200X1, giving you a wide range of power needed to drive 1, 2, or more subwoofers off a single amp. There are 4 multi-channel amplifiers ranging from the R2 200X2 up to the 750X5 that's designed to power your entire system, including your subwoofers. Alright, check it out. The features and benefits of our new Prime R2 amps are based around the Class D topology, providing high-efficiency amplification that provides the most power available while keeping current consumption in the charging system to a minimum. With all the electronics in cars today, you don't want your amplifier pulling too much juice and draining your system. Now, one of our most requested new features is our new clean patented circuit derived from the Punch models. Whether using a factory radio or aftermarket source unit, clean technology is smart enough to match your radio to the input and to the output of the speakers. Alright, the unique power supply is the reason you're buying a Rockford Fosgate amplifier, right? This power supply configuration allows the amplifier to generate more power than what it's rated as voltage increases. Our new test procedure actually shows how much power you'll get. The R2 1200 actually producing 1500 watts. Our integrated Punch EQ is an equalization circuit that corrects for acoustical deficiencies in the listening environment. What does that mean? It helps deliver up to 3 times the amount of bass for those times when you need to feel that music. To keep things cool, we're using the next generation Mesa 4 substrate. This is an efficient radiator for the power supply and output MOSFETs that keep the amplifier's engine running cool. For real-world application, this means you'll be able to drive the amplifier to its fullest maximum power output. Finally, these also have balanced differential inputs. Now, I know that's a lot of words, but it cancels any noise picked up in the signal cable between your source unit and the amplifier, giving your audio the cleanest sound possible. Last but not least, we included a remote level control for all mono amps and the 5-channel amp. This allows you to quickly adjust your bass and tailor it for your music. In this product overview, we've highlighted the features and benefits of our new Prime Series R2 amplifiers. For more information and detailed specs, please check our website at rockfordfosgate.com. If you need additional help, give us a call at 1-800-669-9899. We'll see you again in the next video.